In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do conversational forms in HubSpot via Typeform. These forms are an excellent way for businesses to engage potential leads in a more interactive and friendly manner. So let's dive right in and guide you through creating your first one. First, head over to the HubSpot website, which is the starting point for integrating with Typeform. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the login button, typically found in the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway into accessing all of HubSpot's powerful features. Click on it, and you'll see the option to sign in with Google. Using this option streamlines the process, making it even easier to log in. Select your Google account and enter your credentials if prompted. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the marketplace. This is also in the top right corner. Once there, find and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Typeform, and you should quickly locate the app you need. Click on Install App to start the integration process with your Typeform account. Follow any prompts to connect your existing Typeform account to HubSpot. With Typeform now integrated, you're ready to create your form. Click on Create New Form and opt to start from scratch. At this point, go to the Create with AI tab at the top of the page. You'll see various options for form types. Look for lead qualification forms and select that. As you begin crafting your form, you're prompted to enter some details. First, type in your company name and, following that, a brief description of your business. This information helps customize the form to better suit your needs. Once you've got that in, click Continue. Next, let AI assist you further. Hit Generate Questions, where AI suggests potential questions you might use. You have the freedom to choose from these options on the left panel. Don't hesitate to delete any unnecessary ones to keep your form concise and focused. Edit these questions so they align perfectly with your lead scoring criteria. To enhance your form's logic, switch to the Logic tab at the top right. Here, you can incorporate conditional questions by clicking the plus icon. This is where the magic happens, allowing your form to respond dynamically based on user inputs. Once everything looks perfect, click Publish on the top right. After publishing, navigate over to the Connect tab. It's time to bind this form with HubSpot for seamless data flow. Search for HubSpot in the list of integrations and click Connect. You might need to authenticate your accounts at this stage by clicking Authenticate. Finally, complete the connection with your HubSpot account. Congratulations, you've successfully created a conversational form and linked it with HubSpot. This tool will assist you greatly in engaging leads more effectively. Keep exploring and refining your forms to better serve your business needs. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day implementing this powerful integration.